Love in the house?
All the time.
I pay no to say that. If I didn't say that, I wouldn't get no doubles. Love in the house?
All the time.
Yeah, all my doubles.
Shinezstory love is in the house. We're gonna take a little hike. We're going down to the beach. I'm here with my power team. Takia in the building. Get minked by Taki, don't forget. That's his son here. He doesn't have a scratch already. And we have Boy! And we have Sophia from Sophia Show. Don't forget to subscribe to my daughter's channel. Links in description. Tyrell. They say Tyrell can't make it because he's too fat, but we go see, right? Son on the phone with Ivo. And that's how we do it. It's just Love in the House. We're gonna start this vlog. It's my first hike vlog. So we just go and hike. Tree fall. Tyrell, I see Tyrell making a way, so if he can make a way, there is a way. Boy, you don't move. Hey! Tyrell, you can pass, you can go for that. And I go to the bush. Wait, let me see. Oh, we gotta move this here.
That's a cut it in half.
Alright. Hold on. Well, God is good, so we overcome that obstacle. It's behind, so we're going forward. Continue, let go. Whoa, we out here, yeah? As you out here now, eh? The next stop again, the same tree we now pass to the top is the same tree we to the bottom of the truck. It's a big tree, so we had to make a way somewhere. We had to find a way somewhere through the bush. Just see a big spider there. That spider is real big, eh? I make it. Ah, look at them. Bye bye. I'm gonna leave them. I don't know yourself. I wouldn't leave my family in the bush. Everybody here. So we're going. Continuing the vlog. Let's go! Tyrell, when we reach on Tyrell, so you can take off your bag. Right? Huh? So as you can see, it's lunchtime. It's not really lunchtime. Tyrell, what's the time? Right, it's after 11 on a Sunday. My wife phoned me, see, love you, you miss out. I know he wasn't doing this for $1 million even though. But we here, we're having a good time. So we just eating and then after we go take a little walk and show you around the place a little bit. Shinezstory, Love in the House. Nothing changed. Cyril Bay.